All right, guys. So let's get started. This whole WhatsApp web CRM works on the web version only, web.whatsapp.com. So once you log in into the web WhatsApp version, so this is how the interface will looks like. Okay. So let me go ahead with individual features and benefits. Okay. So first feature is start a new chat. So this feature is used because of the difficulty. We need to find the number or a new number. We have to start without actually saving it. So that's the benefit. Example: type a number, start a chat, and then automatically you can start the chat. That's the first feature. Start a new chat. Second is it's a profile. So where we can able to save their number, and we can able to add and priority basis on whether it's low, medium, or high, and save contact to phone directly from here without actually going to phone. So first feature is start a new chat. Second is save contact to phone, so you can actually save the contact without going to phone from here. That's a benefit. And we can start a new chat without saving number is a benefit of this is the profile. Okay. And third is called labels. So where we have labels right here based on our own workflow, we can able to create your own labels. Okay. So I have, if I need to add for this into client, so I need to like for example new flow. So I'll click on it here, and it's already added the new flow. All right. So see, we can look at it here. Add it to new flow. That's a label. So where we can able to organize in each particular tabs or labels, call it. So by default, you'll be having four labels, and where we can able to all the follow up all will be shown. Today will be as a green. Upcoming any future based follow ups in black, and pending in red. Okay. And these are the labels, five labels and 25, I mean, five labels and 25, I'm sorry, five labels and another five sub labels. Total, we can able to create 25 labels all put together, labels and sub labels. And how about how to follow up? The follow up, we can add a comments here, and after adding the comments you can able to put the reminder, the bell icon, click on it so that it shows the notification, the bell ring, and follow up reminder, date, time, and save. So then we can able to create the follow up, so that we will not be miss any follow up, and that follow up sits here as a today, upcoming, or pending, depending on what date and time we put it across, right? So that's a follow up. And notes, any, we can able to make any minutes of meeting right here, notes before having a conversation with a new client, uh, based on what we have started a chat here. That's a notes. Third is calendar. In this calendar, we have integrated to our Google Calendar so that we can able to book the appointments directly from here. All right. We'll just wait for a minute. I think it's integrating. So that's the Google Calendar integration. Yeah, here we go. So we can able to see the day, we can able to see the week, follow up, and monthly follow-ups completely integrated to Google Calendar here. And the next feature is quick replies, where we can able to reply whatever we have here, and we just need to store the message here and then click on it, and it will automatically go. I'm going to show an example. Go to clients. So I just added. Add a chat. I'll add a quick reply, my introduction. So quick reply that has done. Okay. Then any event calendar. to send time where the invitation link we can able to send it here, and scheduler for the upcoming messages, the scheduled messages. So these are all the total uh, WhatsApp web CRM features. So basically, it can be used for sales process. It can able to use for service professionals to raise the ticket and manage the clients, or we can able to maintain the project. So basically, as a whole, we can able to make our WhatsApp web into a number one productivity tool, because this is what we need to, it will help us organize and then to do the more productivity, bring more productivity in day-to-day activities, business activities. Thank you so much, and see you guys inside. Thank you.